Hello and welcome to my new video lesson. Today I'm taking on a quick and creative challenge, painting a tiny landscape in just 3 minutes, using my Realistic Watercolor Brushes collection for Procreate. This is a fun and relaxing way to practice your skills, explore new brushes, or just unwind with a bit of art. If you'd like to join me in painting, you can download the template and color palette for free on my Patreon. I'll start by selecting the first brush to carefully fill the sky with a soft color gradient. Feel free to use the colors from my provided palette or personalize the scene with your own choices. By layering different shades, we can create a smooth and visually stunning gradient as the colors blend seamlessly. Don't worry about overlapping colors. The transparency of the brushes allows overlapping colors to interact naturally, creating subtle variations and entirely new shades. This interplay of hues enhances the depth and complexity of the texture, making your artwork more vibrant and dynamic. Now we need to blend the colors to create a seamless and natural transition between the shades. We will use the water wash brush, which is specifically designed to replicate the fluid and delicate blending effect of traditional watercolors. When blending colors, try to follow the natural curves and contours of the object with your brush strokes. This technique helps to enhance the shape and flow of the object, making the transitions between colors appear smoother and more realistic. I will erase the strokes that go beyond the frame. Use the first brush to add shadows on the ground that fall from the trees and on the crown of the trees. Select the water wash brush and soften the edges of the strokes. Create a new layer on top of the drawing layer, and use the first brush to draw the trunk of the tree. Using the same layer and the line brush, draw a small goose. And I will also add some foliage and use a brush from my 4 Seasons collection. That's it! In just a few minutes, we've created a beautiful landscape together. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed the process. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.